Hello, I am glad to have you here. So in this video I will give you my top 3 things that makes you a light follower. So if that's what you want, make sure to watch the entire video, okay? So the first one is this: balance. You will always have to find your own balance when you dance. Every step you take, you need to find balance. Or you will start leaning on your partner for balance, you will rely on them for balance, and you will start feeling heavy because you will drag them a little bit down and in different directions to regain balance, and they will be affected by that, so it will feel more heavy. I have an entire video about balance, what can be the reason for not having balance and how to fix it. So check it out if you're interested. The second thing is this: you need to have flexibility. You need to be prepared for anything. You need to be ready for any stop or move or change in direction. Anything can happen. The leader can change his mind and do something different that you're not used to. So you need to have the flexibility. And how do you get this? First of all, you try to keep your feet as much as possible together and under your own body. Never separate with the feet unless you're taking a step to the side. Never stop with separate feet. Because when you do, imagine a martial artist, someone who's doing karate. If I stand like this, you don't see my feet, but if they have a basic stance, they stand like this and they have their feet apart. Sumo wrestling, they have their feet very far apart to keep a very stable position. They want to be difficult to move. In dance, it's the total opposite. You need to be easy to move. And when you have your feet together as much as possible under your body, which also means not taking too big steps, but pretty small steps, as small as you can, to find balance, then you will be easy to move. And this gives you also the flexibility you need to be prepared for anything. And the third thing is this, what I call power steering. You know, the cars back in the days, they were really heavy to steer, especially at low speeds. Because it was difficult to turn the wheels from this steering wheel. So then came the power steering, which was a small kind of an engine inside that you just give the signal with the steering wheel, and the engine helps you turn the wheels, which makes it much lighter. And if you imagine this for yourself as a follower, the leader sends you a signal, just move back or move forward, and you do it totally on your own. When I, as a leader, go forward, I want you to go back without having to push you. When I turn, I want you to turn just with the signal I'm sending. I want you to do the work on your own. I don't want to use force to turn you. So if you imagine this little engine, this little motor inside of you that takes care of all the moves with the signal that the leader is sending, then you will feel much lighter as a follower. So those are my 3 top tips for you to become a light follower. Feel free to comment below your own tips about light following, what you think. If you have other ideas that you want to hear about here, other tips and tricks that you are curious about, feel free. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube. To get updates on tips and tricks or new videos from amazing places, or also news about the online classes that will come or are already out. So that's it. Take care. See you on the dance floor. Bye bye.